So this is the game I've been working on, and the name I'm still deciding on the name, but once happened fate, or maybe once just fight fate is probably going to be the name. Though I'm probably going to change my mind later on. So, and this is the stuff from previous testing. Currently, I only have new game working and exit because load I would have to require to save the game, which I haven't set up yet either. Only click new game. Basically, click a race that you want to play. And the stats will show up, which it's going to change later on. And there's probably going to be more races that I'm going to add. Next will be your character info, which there's going to be more. As you can see, you can pick what gender you are, what name you have. Then after that will be the world creation area, which only currently have the size of it. And now to start the game, the game basically generates a random world for you and places you in a random city when you start off at. And you can see there's time and day. Basically, later on I'm going to add something that after X amount of days, something will happen and you have to deal with it, basically. So that'll be something for later though. There's abilities. As you can see, you can upgrade them and you get a certain amount of points. Anytime you level up, you get 1 extra point. You can upgrade like the Sama cost, the cooldown, or the min or max scaling, like so. Magic is very similar to abilities, except I'm going to have magic tied to a system of how magic works, and you can upgrade it through there. And I might just have it so you can have 1 or 2 magic types that you can pull from, unlike abilities which you can pull as much as you want. And here's the equipment area where you can unequip or look at the stats, which I need to tweak the weight and volume and other things. And here's your items. As you can see right here is the currency, and when the world gets generated it will be split up into nations, and each nation will usually have their own currency. And basically you have to convert currencies if you want to buy something when you're in a different area or a different nation basically. Now your party, I might add more slots for party members, but I generated 2. You can look at their abilities, but you can't actually mess with them because they will actually do it themselves unless it's a special party member. You can look at their items, so on. You can look at basically each one. Quests, I need to improve this, but you can do a quest, complete the quest, and basically based on the town you're in, because some have this is a village so it doesn't really have a guild, but basically if you went to a city that has a guild you can turn in your quests if it's for that guild. When I tweak that, but there's a tavern that's currently closed, and there's a shrine that belongs to a religion, and there'll be a couple religions that you can choose from that gets auto generated. And basically the more people that believe in a religion, the stronger it is, and it gets bonuses for that religion. So you can, if you felt like it, you can actually try to make a religion stronger by converting people, but that's up to you. But currently it has just generic names, and it's also currently closed. there's a town hall, which will be basically the government center of this town, village, or whatever, which can do multiple things, which I haven't added, but they might give the guild basically a quest to do or something like that, or send the guards to do something. But that's for a later date. And now too, you can explore outside the town or outside the town that you're currently in, and choose up more time. But I'm probably going to scrap this part and actually change into an overlay map that you can actually click a tile and actually move to that tile instead of using up time to actually explore that tile. Or I'll make it so that it takes a bit more time going to a new tile that you've explored before. But yeah, you can travel to said tile, and then when you click explore the tile, actually multiple things can happen, but currently I just have it so that you find a slime and hopefully, and then your character will kill the slime. And I just got this set up that's generic. I'm probably going to upgrade it, and I don't think I actually clicked on it. But as you can see, I'm probably going to change this out because it's not very optimal, I guess, the path system that I'm using. So they'll basically chase, and then my character has a weapon which can be equipped with different weapons. But when it actually gets to the unit with its slime, you can see the little numbers, which I might tweak because my character does have a lot of armor, but doesn't take any damage at all off the slime. But as you can see, it died, which I haven't actually added a loot thing yet, but that's for later. And then I can return, then back to the original screen, go explore. I think this is the town that was in a village. Just travel back. And you can see the store's open now. I can check and buy bread if I wanted to. It has like 99 now. And I think that broke. Well, the game has a few bugs still, but yeah. This is what I currently have. It doesn't look like much, but basically it has lots and lots of code. So I might make another video in 2 weeks. I don't know if it's going to be longer or shorter than this one, but maybe. Well, not longer, but maybe I'll make one. Well, that's it. See you later.